Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install League of Legends into your PC or laptop. It will be just the same process. So first, just simply open up a web browser. Just simply go to google.com and just simply search for League of Legends. And now from here, just simply click on the first one, League of Legends, or you can go to their website, leagueoflegends.com. I will put the link in the description below. Now from here, just simply click on play for free. And after that, you should be able to see here two options. If you are using Mac, just simply click on this. If you're using Windows, just simply click on this. And after that, just simply go to the top right corner of the screen. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to the file location of this download. So just simply click on this. And after that, just simply open it up. And a pop-up window will show up and just simply click on yes. And after that, just simply click on install over here. And now just simply wait for it to load up. And now after that, a pop-up window will show up again and just simply click on yes and it will download the Riot client. And now once you have the Riot client, you can just simply click on install over here, guys. And now from here, just simply select a path location. And after that, once you have selected a location, just simply click on install over here. And after that, a pop-up window will show up again and just simply click on yes. And from there, it will automatically install. And once it is done, you should be able to play it. And guys, make sure to sign in into your account as well over here in order for you to access the Riot client. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching.